Hi, welcome back. Let's see linked list class. This linked list class is the implementation of list interface, which means it can have the properties like the order in which you are going to add the elements. In the same order it is going to display, means it is going to maintain insertion order, and also wherever you want to add the elements in the respective location you can able to add the element, meaning that based on the index you can able to add elements. These are the two properties that are going to get with the help of the list interface, right? So how we are going to add the elements? By simply creating object for it, right? So linked list, the type of data what you are trying to store, integer, L equal to new linked list, or can I go with directly like list integer L equal to new linked list, and then you can able to add any number of elements. You can able to perform remove the data, or you can able to perform size of the data, or you want to check whether the list is empty or not. Similarly, you can able to check for, you can able to add the data at the first location. Add first method is there, add last method is there. Guys, actually this linked list internally uses double linked list as data structure, right? Double linked list means you are going to have a node. This node is going to have three fields. One is data field, another one is left side pointer and right side pointer. If I am trying to add the data 1, yes, it will be added, and initially it is going to be null. Both left pointer as well as right pointer is going to be null. And next, if you are trying to call L dot add of 5, it is going to create one more double linked list node with the value 5, and initially they are going to place the values null. But where you want to add the data, this will be added to the previous node, so it will be connected like this. For example, this address is 100, here it is going to replace with address 100. If this address is 200, it is going to replace with the address 200, right? Hope you understood the concept of double linked list. The same thing it is going to follow internally. So this is the procedure you have to explain to the interviewer when somebody asks in the interview how about the linked list is going to work. Linked list internally follows the double linked list, and it will follow this kind of approach. Now if I am going to call the method called add first method, where it is going to be added? It is going to be added here, right? So like this it is going to be added. If I am going to add last, it is going to be added here. Hope you understood clearly. Similarly, you can able to get the data. So basically if you are trying to pass get of 0, you will get the value which is printed in the 0th index position. Similarly, if you want to get the first index position value, then get first. If you want to get the last index position value, you can go with the get last. Similarly, remove first, remove last, contains, like that you can able to work with the various kind of methods that are supported by the linked list class, right? Let's dive into the example. So let me remove all the code what is not necessary for us. Instead of this array list, I will go with the list, and this I am going to change it to linked list. Linked list I am going to import from the util package, and which is not necessary. Control A, Control Shift O, which is not necessary is going to be removed, right? And then I am going to perform data dot add of 1, data dot add of 3, data dot add of 1 comma 2, means at the index position 1 I want to add, and I want to add two null values. I want to add the value 3, and then I am trying to print data. If I try to run it, yes, it will work as it is, as like array list, right? But there are little differences are there between array list and the linked list, that we'll see in the next video, right? So now we'll try to move further various kind of methods. I will go with add first method is there. Add first of 0. Where it is going to be added? It is going to be added at the initial stage. You will get 0, 1 like that. Similarly, if you want to have data dot add last of value is 4, right? Yes, I will try to run it. I will get the value at the end 4. Similarly, you can able to get the value like data dot get. Observe guys, here get first and get last. If I try to run the get last, what the output you are going to expect? You are going to expect the output as 4. You will get the value as 4. Similarly, get first, get. Similarly, let me do data dot remove first. If I ask to remove the first and try to print the list, your result doesn't contain, again 0. Run it. Yes, you can check with contains method again. Data dot whether it contains the value 5, output will be false because 5 is not there in the list. If I try to run it, yes, you will get the value as false. Similarly, you can perform index of method is there, alternative for the search method. Data dot index of, let me call the 3, right? So if it is available, it is going to return the respective index position. 3 is available which index position? At the index position 2 guys, because we added the 0, 1, 3. So 3 is available at the index position 2. If I try to run it, yes, index position is 2. Data dot, try to observe, we have another method called last index of is there. Data dot last index of, let me take 3. Now what is the output we can expect? 4 is added at the end and 3, right? So you will get I think 2, 3, 4, 5 and I think let me check that 6, or else we'll try to print first this out of data. And then we'll try to check that. Observe, it will be 5, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So last index of method is going to do checking from the last onwards, right? It is going, so index of is going to check from the front side and last index of method is going to check from the back side. While checking the back side, wherever it is going to encounter the 3, that index position is going to be written. So it's going to have the value as 5. Okay, hope understood clearly, right? So this is the way you can able to work with the linked list. But here you have certain doubt. Then what is the difference between the array list and the linked list, right? That we will see in the next video. Hope you understood this video clearly guys. Thank you.